Friends, I am indeed happy to announce the results of this year's survey. I would prefer to call these results as citizens' verdict on sanitation in urban areas, given the scale and eagerness of citizens' participation and the fact that these 434 cities and towns account for about 60% of the country's urban population. I am particularly happy over the fact that 80% of the respondents reported a definite improvement in cleanliness in our cities and towns over the last year in sanitation related to infrastructure, services, and also waste collection and processing have improved. For me, the citizens' feedback is more exciting and valuable than the rank of cities that all of you are keenly waiting for. It is because, as we all agree, citizens don't hesitate to convey their resentment or anger against the governments if they are unhappy with any issues under consideration, and sanitation is an important issue for each and every one. Before announcing the results of the survey, I would like to give you a brief summary of the outcome of this year's survey. Results of this year's survey confirmed that a major transformation in respect of sanitation is taking place in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, followed by Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So let us call them as the movers and shakers of the ongoing cleanliness drive. In Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand, all the cities surveyed this year have substantially improved their ranking over that of 2016 and 2014. जो पुराना सर्वेक्षण हुआ उसका तुलना में पूरा एकदम काम पूरा हो गया ऐसा नहीं कह रहा मैं। जो पुराना सर्वेक्षण 2014 में हुआ उसका परिप्रेक्ष्य में मध्य प्रदेश और झारखंड में सभी शहरों जो जिसमें हमने ये सर्वेक्षण किया है उसमें काफी प्रगति है। गुजरात as well as the cities in Gujarat, all the cities have remarkably improved ranking over the last 2 years. Only Rajkot has slipped in respect of ranking for million plus population cities. Chhattisgarh is another success story with all cities except Bilaspur improving their rankings very significantly this year over the previous surveys. छत्तीसगढ़ में भी गत साल का तुलना में वो एक अपवाद बिलासपुर छोड़ के सभी शहरों में रैंकिंग में वृद्धि हुआ है। इन केस ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश, only 4 cities have scored below 2014 ranking. That means other cities have improved. And in Telangana, only 2 have dropped in ranking this year. Even Telangana also, only 2 cities have dropped. That means others are maintaining. We all know that hard work speaks for itself. I am happy that this year's survey results have captured the outcome of spirited efforts of the states, reflecting improvements on ground since the launch of Swachh Bharat Mission in 2014. The 2014 survey that we are referring to for comparison was conducted before the launch of Swachh Bharat Mission. While these 6 states have reported major transformation across their jurisdiction, several cities in other states as well as also have improved rankings. Since rankings being relative, and cities improve their ranking, others would obviously drop their ranking. And somebody becomes first, the other will become second. That is what the spirit of competition is all about. Friends, though Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh amount for 31 of the top 50 clean cities, and a total of 14 states are represented in this distinguished club of top 50, reflecting on the intensity of the competition. Gujarat has the maximum of 12 cities among the top 50. जो 50 है प्रथम श्रेणी में है, उसमें से 12 शहर गुजरात में है। और उसके बाद मैं सबसे ज्यादा प्रसन्न हूं, कारण क्या है, जो जिसको हम लोग कहते थे पहले बीमारू स्टेट, पिछड़ा प्रदेश, ऐसी मध्य प्रदेश 11 शहरों में अभी प्रथम श्रेणी में आया है। और आंध्र प्रदेश 8 cities, they have also improved. Tamil Nadu and Telangana account for 4 each. Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Sikkim and Uttar Pradesh account for 1 each in this group. While the competition for a place of top 50 was intense, the same is not the case in respect of bottom 50 cities, with Uttar Pradesh alone accounting for 25, that is half of them. This is an unfortunate situation. Rajasthan and Punjab have 5 cities each in the bottom 50, followed by Maharashtra with 2 and 1 each from Haryana, Karnataka and Lakshadweep. Of the 62 surveyed in UP, 41 of them figured among the bottom 100. And this is a matter of concern. मैं और मेरा सचिव और अन्य हमारा पदाधिकारी हम सब लोग उत्तर प्रदेश जा रहे। कारण क्या है, वहां नया सरकार आया। उत्तर प्रदेश प्रगति के संदर्भ में, अमल के संदर्भ में बहुत इलाके में पीछे है। और उत्तर प्रदेश माने 1/6 ऑफ द कंट्री है। 1/6 ऑफ द कंट्री इज उत्तर प्रदेश। उत्तर प्रदेश इज इक्वल टू एटलीस्ट 6-7 प्रदेश। So without developing Uttar Pradesh, you cannot think of developing the country. Keeping that in mind, we are all going there tomorrow to hold discussions. Some of my officers have already left for Lucknow today. They will be having intense discussion with the counterparts for the implementation of the central schemes, including Swachh Bharat also. Because the population is more and the state is big and the challenge is big, we have decided to focus on that. However, one thing in Uttar Pradesh, one positive thing is Varanasi is a success story by improving its rank to 32 among the 434 cities this year from 418 in 2014. 2014 में 418 स्थान पे था वाराणसी और इस 2 साल में काफी वहां स्थानीय लोगों ने मेहनत किया, इसलिए वो 32वां स्थान पे पहुंच गए 32. And the 22 place in this year among the 72 million plus cities from 65 in 2016. पहले 65th place में था, अभी 22nd place में आया. Further to our analysis, the survey data sanitation scenario in Bihar, in Rajasthan, in Punjab and Kerala also appear to be a matter of concern. In Kerala made a lot of progress in the rural, but the urban is yet to really improve. It's a matter of concern because Kerala is supposed to be a clean state. Appear to be a matter of concern requiring these states to set up efforts. In respect of Bihar, out of the 27 cities surveyed this year, 19 of them are ranked beyond 300. And the best ranks for the state being 147th place for Bihar Sharif. 15 cities are among the bottom 100. ये स्थिति बिहार के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. वहां भी प्रदेश सरकार और केंद्र सरकार मिलकर इस विषय के ऊपर ध्यान देना चाहिए. आने वाले दिनों में हम लोग पूरा टीम बिहार भी जाने वाले हैं. In case of Rajasthan, 18 of the 29 cities are ranked beyond 300 and 13 among the bottom 100. Best rank that the state could get is 171 for Burli. This is also a matter of concern. In Punjab, 7 out of the 16 cities surveyed figure among the bottom 100, with the best ranking being 121 for SAS Nagar. Friends, the whole purpose of conducting the sanitation always is not to finger point on anyone. This is only to make the cities know where they stand in respect of cleanliness. वो कहाँ है आज, भविष्य में कैसा आगे बढ़ना, वहां का स्थिति के सुधारने के लिए और क्या करना. जो प्रथम स्थान में, द्वितीय स्थान में, तृतीय स्थान में, नहीं तो कम से कम टॉप 50 में पहुंच गया, उन लोगों ने क्या किया है, उनका उदाहरण से कुछ सीखना और अपना इलाका में भी ऐसी योजना अमल करने के लिए प्रयास करना, यही मुख्य उद्देश्य है ये स्पर्धा के लिए. ये और किसी को थोड़ा कम दिखाने के लिए, किसी को ऊंचा दिखाने के लिए हमारा मकसद नहीं है. इसलिए मित्रों, This is only to make the cities know where they stand in respect of cleanliness and also in comparison to other cities. I am sure every state and city government is keen to ensure cleanliness for the benefit of citizens.